This video is to help you assign the remote learning version at the beginning of the year elementary mathematics assessment into your Google Classrooms. Once you are in Schoology and you have created the pathway to get to the actual assessments, you're going to click on the link that says beginning of the year assessment for the grade level you want. It will say remote learning. When you click on the document, it will force you to make a copy. Once you have made a copy, it is now inside your Google Drive. It automatically defaults to copy of, so you can put your name in there so that way the students know and you can easily find it, that this is your version of the test. Once you're happy with the renaming of the file instead of copy of, you're ready to assign it to your Google Classroom. So inside your Google Classroom, you're going to go to Classwork, Create, Assignment, beginning of year, that you can call this whatever you want, which is between you and your students. And then you're going to click on the word Add, and from your Google Drive. Now you've just renamed the file, but if you've also clicked on it, it should show up in Recent. So right here in Recent, you're going to click on how you've renamed it, and you're going to click Insert. The defaults to students can only view the file. You need to do the drop down and make a copy for each student. If later in the year, for some reason, you have a new student that enters after you've assigned it, you can actually repeat this process again, and you can assign it to specific students right from here. Once you've made a copy for each student, you're going to hit Assign. Once you've hit Assign, it will now populate into the students' individual versions of their student classroom. It is also here in your file. You can move it, so if you wanted them to do it on Monday, you can click and do it however you want to organize your files. If I click on it as a teacher, I could hit View Assignment, and it's going to populate individual students so you can see that everybody already has the test. And if they had already worked on it, if I click on it, I would be able to see that student's work. And even though we're not giving percentages on the assessments, you can give some private comments, and you can add some comments and post it back to the student. Another way you can see student work is if you are inside your Google Classroom. If you go to Classwork, and right here it says Class Drive folder. The neat thing about Google Classroom is that it designs a folder for every assignment you've made. So here's my assignment beginning of the year check-in, and here are the students. It automatically makes a copy with their name attached. So even if the student does not use the prompt to type your name, if you go here, you can also be able to see their students' names are already embedded into the files. All right, that's how you do it. Good luck.